Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Rust servers not loading in the menu. Let's get started. First, open Steam settings, go to the in-game tab, then look for server browser, max pings per minute, and set it to 500. After that, launch Rust again and see if the servers show up. If not, go back to Steam, open downloads, and click clear download cache. Confirm it. Steam will restart and you'll need to log back in, then check again if the servers load. Still not working, try connecting to a different network like your mobile hotspot. If the issue continues, open command prompt as administrator, then type ipconfig space slash flush DNS and press enter. Next, type netsh space winsock space reset and press enter again. Now open Network Connections, right-click your internet connection, choose Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses and type preferred DNS 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK and save. If it's still not fixed, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings, then click Network Reset. Finally, the issue might be related to Easy Anti-Cheat, so close Steam, Rust, and Easy Anti-Cheat completely. Then reopen Steam, go to Rust Properties, Installed Files, Browse, and find the Easy Anti-Cheat folder and delete it. After that, click Verify Integrity of Game Files, and once it's done, that should fix the problem. And that's it. Hopefully this helps you get Rust servers loading again.